Hello there everyone, and this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And today we're going to talk about what are good portfolio projects for computer science students to sharpen their skills. So before we get started, I want to, for those that are new to my channel, my name is Felix, and here we talk about all things coding. And my mission is to help people who are learning how to code and computer science students who are completing their degrees to achieve success in their journey of coding. So, let's get started with today's question. What are good portfolio projects for computer science students to sharpen their skills? So, for this question, what I like to share with you guys is a simple strategy. And it's going to break down into 3 steps. And the first step that we're going to do is number 1, choose the field you want to work in after graduating. So before designing a project and put it into my portfolio, so I would first choose an area such as web development, mobile development, can be game development. It all depends on your motivations and interests, right? And right after I do that, what I would do is, which is step number 2, is make a project tailored to that area or field. For example, if I wanted to work as a web developer and work in the areas of web development, I will go ahead and do a web application that uses a framework or a set of technologies that are my interests and are in demand. So, for some examples, can be React, Angular, Vue, or there's a lot of frameworks out there. So, after I choose the area that I would like to work in after I graduate, I will do a full stack application that uses a database and a user interface from scratch. And why would I do this? Because by designing an application from scratch, what this is going to happen is, or what's going to help you is apply a lot of the computer science principles or just programming principles in general that you learn in the course of your degree. So, returning to the example of web development, by including a database into this project, right? What's going to happen is that you're going to have to design the database from scratch, do the tables, the relationships that are going to be needed for that database, and also going through the process of designing the wireframes of the application. You can just grab a pen and paper, and this could be designing the login form and how the user interface is going to be. And taking it from scratch is going to help you apply a lot of the concepts, which in my opinion is the key to success in computer science and programming in general, which is practicing, and applying the concepts. So this is what I would do. And also, going deeper into this example of the web application, I would add CRUD functionality, which is create, update, and delete, just to be able to design functions or methods that could help do this problem or solve this problem. And what this is going to do is going to help me or force me to, sorry about that, go ahead and force and create a little separate the problem into modules or functions, which is a concept that we learn in programming in computer science. So the overall idea is just to get an idea that that you have that for a certain application in the area that you want to work in after graduating, and just create a project from scratch. Just go through the whole process of designing the project, the application, and developing it. By doing that, you're forcing yourself to apply a lot of the concepts and think outside the box to go ahead and do this project. So that's the strategy. So a quick recap of the strategy is choose the field you want to work in after graduating. That's number one. Number two, make a project tailored to that area, right? And number three, do the project from scratch. Design it and code it yourself. And the web development was just an example, but you guys can do this for any area. It can be mobile development, it can be game development, whatever you want. The overall idea is the same. Just take the project from scratch, design it, and implement it. And this will help you, in my opinion, go ahead and sharpen your skills because you're going to be practicing and applying, which is the key to success in programming, in my opinion. And just practice, just applying those skills. So yeah, so that's the overall strategy for today. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, click that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video. I'm uploading videos every week. So I'm sharing, answering questions and helping you guys succeed in the realm of coding. And if you're a computer science student, I'm just giving you advice so you can succeed in your degree. Oh, and before I forget, if you're a computer science student, go ahead and I'm gonna put it on the description of this video below. We have a group on LinkedIn for computer science students, which is free, which I go ahead and post free resources that can help you succeed. So be sure to join it. So more information will be on the description. And oh, also before I forget, click on that bell icon so you don't miss a video. You guys can see the notifications and just benefit from all this knowledge that I'll be sharing with you guys. So yeah, so this was Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Take care.